Good day, everyone. Today, let's talk about a topic which is very important to us Christians, yet very awkward. Christian dating and purity. Alam ko marami sa atin na naghahanap ng love story that honors God. Pero minsan, mahirap mag-navigate sa mundo ngayon, di ba? Dating today can feel like a maze. May peer pressure, social media, at kung ano-anong expectations. Pero as Christians, we're called to a different standard. Hindi dahil killjoy si Lord, but because He wants the best for us. The Bible reminds us sa 1 Thessalonians 4:3-4, it is God's will that you should be sanctified, that you should avoid sexual immorality. Purity isn't just about saying no, it's about saying yes to God's plan. It's about protecting our hearts and honoring Him in the way we love. Some practical dating tips for Christians out there. First, pray first. Let's pray first before we pursue or say yes to a relationship. Siyempre, dapat may permission ni Lord at dapat alam mo yung will ni Lord para sa iyo. Next, set boundaries. Physical, emotional, and even digital. Kung single ka pa rin ngayon, don't see it as a punishment. Use this time to grow closer to the Lord and prepare yourself to be the right person. Not just to find the right person, God's timing is always perfect. Dating and purity isn't easy in today's world, pero hindi rin posibleng mabuhay ng ayon sa standards ni Lord. Let's honor Him in our relationships and trust that the author of love knows our hearts best. If this message encouraged you, like and share this video to inspire others. Comment below your thoughts or experiences. Let's build each other up. And don't forget to subscribe for more faith-based content. God bless you.